Are you looking for the best lighting conversion kits? In this video, we will break down the top for lighting conversion kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. NOVSIGHT LED headlight bulbs. The NOVSIGHT 9012/HIR2 LED headlight bulbs high/low beam conversion kit is the perfect way to make sure you can see better in all weather. These bulbs provide a perfect beam pattern with a wider and farther illumination range, making sure you can foresee the danger on the road. They're perfect for normal driving in extreme weather like rainy, snowy, foggy days, and ensure a safe trip home even in extreme weather. Our bulbs feature 80 mAh large automotive-grade customized chips with 100W, 20,000 lumens per pair, 6500 K cool white light that's 600% brighter than the factory halogen light. Plus, our bulbs have the correct angle and direction so as not to blind other drivers. Upgrade your headlights today and see what you've been missing. Driving at night can be a dangerous proposition, but with our NOVSIGHT 9012/HIR2 LED headlight bulbs high/low beam conversion kit, you'll have the best chance of arriving safely at your destination. Our bulbs are easy to install and designed to work with 99% of vehicles, meaning that no matter what car you have, these headlights will fit like a glove. Plus, they emit an intense white light that will make it easier for you to see the road in even the darkest conditions. With a lifespan of over 100,000 hours and a 2-year warranty, these bulbs are sure to provide you with superior lighting performance on dark roads. Intelligent temperature control and overheating fault protection keep your lights running safely and smoothly, making them a great choice for any driver. At number 2. LEPPEIN LED headlight bulbs conversion kit. When you use filter system, please see the fitment note carefully to see which position they fit exactly in your car. You need to buy the right part number for the right position. If not sure, please check your original headlight part number or before purchase. H13/9008 LED headlight bulbs apply to high beam and low beam. High luminous efficacy flux up to 6000 lm per pair. 200% brighter than your stock halogen headlights. Put out enough light ahead or to the sides, ensuring your safe drive. They are made to fit for your original factory plug. Our LED bulbs will work with most vehicles' computer system without error. For some vehicles, LED bulbs draw less power and cause hyperflashing. Please add resistors or decoders. Aviation-grade aluminum radiator and powerful turbocool fan ensure optimal heat dissipation, extend their operating life to over 30,000 hours. Buy the quality LED bulbs with confidence. Any problem about bulb size, flickering or installation, please directly. At number 3. Nilight A9 LED headlight bulbs. At night, you definitely need a LED headlight bulb that can keep you safe in the dark, and that is exactly what this LED headlight bulb is all about because it can shine brighter and farther away. The light is also focused on avoiding blinding other drivers. Unlike some competitor brands, the bulbs have a finless design and therefore are silent. The advanced heat sink improves performance and has a lifespan of more than 50,000 hours. The 9007 LED headlight bulb high and low with a built-in driver is mini in size and will fit perfectly into your housing and factory sockets. It can be installed in 10 minutes and will not cause any damage. The things that might be bothering you: both sides do not have equal shine because the left is dimmer than the right and has a short shank lamp body. At number 4. Glowteck LED headlight bulbs. Among all the renowned manufacturers of headlights, Glowteck has the superpower for rain. Glowteck's conversion kit contains 2 headlight bulbs with the maximum light output. The H13 bulbs are engineered with a Cree XHP50 chipset that produces a well-spread beam pattern on the road. You'll experience consistency like never before. Who doesn't want to replace traditional OEM stock with the best H13 LED bulb? Take 10 minutes to install Glowteck bulbs. It rarely requires professional installation for some automobiles. You'll be glad to know that this headlight kit suits high and low assembly. Great as a dual beam pattern. Even if you're very skeptical of the LED systems, you can't deny the strategy of crystal clear white beams. Glowteck H13 LED bulb kit is aesthetic for a clean and bright shine. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.